Hello and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be unboxing my first ever Colourpop mystery box. So I think they are still available now, and they are available in 3 different sizes. So this is the smallest box, which they have named Secret Stash, and this box retails for $29 and all of the products are worth $61. So I have also purchased the medium size box, which is named CP Confidential. That one was $49 and the products in that one actually retail for $102, so keep an eye out for that one as well. But without further ado, let's get into unboxing this and seeing exactly what I've got from Colourpop. So first of all, I love the box that this has come in with all of the question marks and everything on here. Opening it up, and again, how cute is that? I love obviously that everything's got question marks on. We've got our usual little Colourpop insert card here. So just a little sneak peek there, and I can see loads of really amazing goodies in here, and I can't wait to just pull these out one by one and see exactly what I've got in here. I don't actually own an awful lot of Colourpop makeup. I have a few of their eyeshadow palettes, like a couple of eyeliners, and I think that's pretty much it. Oh, I've got one lip pencil, so chances are this is all going to be new stuff to me, but let's have a look. Okay, so our first item here, we have got this pressed glitter, and this is in the shade Band Tea. Now I know a lot of people aren't fans of pressed glitters and get a bit annoyed when Colourpop put them in their palettes, but I really love the pressed glitters, and this one looks absolutely stunning. It's got a magnetic back, so I do have a magnetic palette that I can put this into, so that is great. There it is out of the plastic. So really gorgeous. Definitely, in my opinion, work a lot better if you have a glitter eye base, like a proper glitter glue one. So yeah, I don't have this one in any of my palettes, so looking forward to trying this shade out. Next up, we have got something that I've not even heard of. We've got the Luxe Lip Oil, and this one is in the shade First Date. So I don't really know anything about these. I will say that the packaging is really cute. This is all like embossed and just feels really nice and expensive. So it is this lovely kind of warm nude shade, which is definitely a shade that I will wear. I think it's almost like quite gloss-like in its texture. Definitely got the consistency of a gloss on my hand. There's a little swatch of it, so definitely a really lovely wearable shade. It's got a really nice sheen to it, and looking forward to trying this one out as well. So the next item on here is this ultra glossy lip, and this is in the shade Here's to You. So I've not tried, let's say, any of their lip products apart from literally one lip pencil. So oh wow, this is gorgeous. So that is a really shimmery gloss, absolutely stunning. And it's got this really small applicator brush, which actually I quite like the look of. And just swatching this one onto my hand, it's got definitely like some purpley bluey flecks in there as well. Probably not picking up that at all on the camera, but that is really gorgeous. I never used to really be a fan of lip glosses so much, but I have definitely been getting more into them. This is a really, again, wearable everyday shade, and again, the packaging for this is just really cute. I am a bit of a sucker for the Colourpop packaging, and this one definitely is really cute as well, so another thing I'm really excited to try out. So this next item is double bubble wrapped, and this is the Soul Body Shimmering Dry Oil. So this is a luxe lightweight dry oil with next level multi-dimensional shimmer. It says shake well, massage into skin using fingertips or buff into skin using a brush. Apply liberally to highlight your highlights. So this is in the shade Paloma, which Doesn't really mean anything because I haven't tried out these oils before. Oh wow, that is definitely really, really shimmery. I'm going to give that a little shake just to get all of that shimmer going, and I guess just give it a little spritz on. Oh, it is quite liquidy. It's got a really nice fragrance, and you can see here that my hand has gone so shimmery from that. This is really gorgeous. I bet this would be really nice like to put on for a night out if you just want to kind of sparkle yourself up a bit. It has made my hand feel really quite soft actually. This isn't something I probably would have necessarily picked up had I seen it on the website or on a shelf somewhere, but I'm all for trying out different products, and this one, yeah, definitely will give it a go and see how I get on with it. Now it looks like there are 3 things left, and the next thing we've got is their Act Natural Defining Mascara, and I haven't tried out their mascaras either. And oh, this is actually a brown mascara. Believe it or not, I don't actually own a brown mascara. I only have black mascaras. Just nice packaging again. Let's have a little look at the wand. Oh, really, really lovely wand actually. And I have actually heard really great things about their mascara. So interested to see how I get on with this, and also interested to see how I get on with a brown mascara because I always use black. So yeah, looking forward to this. And next up we've got another one that's double bubble wrapped, and it looks like this is from, oh yeah, so this is a Jelly Much shadow, and this is from their Garden Variety collection, because I do have the Garden Variety palette and I recognise the packaging. So this is in the shade Saguaro, I think that's how it's pronounced, and I haven't tried out these jelly ones, but I have seen them on the website and I have thought that I'd really love to give them a go. So you just see the nice little flower on the top there. It's got a little protective lid as well, and oh, it has gone onto the lid quite a bit, but that is the shade, that really gorgeous orangey shade. This is going to be like a really good autumn shade, I reckon. I'm just gonna get a little swatch on my hand. That's a really nice consistency actually. It's not too wet or too sticky. I think I'm going to get a lot of use out of this shade. There it is swatched, and that is absolutely beautiful. The shimmer in that is just gorgeous, and I think actually a really, really perfect autumn shade with that real nice orange and like gold shift in it. So I can see there's just one item left now here, and I was kind of hoping that there was going to be at least one eyeshadow palette in here. I wasn't expecting loads considering this is obviously only the $29 box, but we have got one of the Animal Crossing palettes, and I don't have this one. I do have one from this collection. I have the What a Hoot palette, which is somewhere behind me there, but this is La Belle of the Ball, and I'm gonna guess it's purple looking at the packaging. Oh, it's so cute, look at that. So really lovely palette. We've got a pressed glitter, which as I mentioned before, some people aren't massive fans of, but I do really like. We have got a really lovely dark shimmer here, a nice dark matte shade, and this kind of matte with the shimmery shift in it. I just think that that is a really, really beautiful palette. I really do love purples, so definitely right up my street. I love the Colourpop formula, and I've already got the What a Hoot palette, so I kind of know how these Animal Crossing 4 pans work, and yeah, definitely really, really excited to get stuck into that one. Well, that is everything in my Secret Stash Colourpop mystery box, and I just wanted to have a little look online and see actually how much these products retail for, because the website did say that for a $29 box you would get $61 worth of products. So I'm just kind of interested for my own sake to see whether they are worth $61 or whether they're worth more, or hopefully they're not worth less. So I will just do a quick run through of that. So La Belle of the Ball retails for $12. Saguaro retails for $9. The Act Natural Defining Mascara also retails for $9. The Soul Body Shimmering Dry Oil retails for $10. The Here's to You Ultra Glossy Lip retails for $8. The First Date Luxe Lip Oil also retails for $8. And the Pressed Glitter in the shade Banty retails for $5. So yeah, all added up and everything together does retail for $61. So overall, I'm actually really pleased with the items that I received in my Colourpop mini mystery box. I really like pressed glitters, so for me the palette and the single shade were a winner. I'm really excited to try out some different lip products that I've not tried out of theirs before. So the lip oil, I think especially, I'm really interested to see how I get on with that. I think because the shade is really beautiful and much more subtle than perhaps the gloss. And also the mascara as well, because I have heard really great things about their mascara, and yeah, just interested to see how I'd look with a brown mascara instead of a black mascara. So I do also have the medium size mystery box. In fact, it's actually just there behind me, which I'm yet to unbox, but I will be also unboxing that on my channel. So if you're interested to see what I got in that one as well, then keep your eyes peeled. But I'd really love to know if you had any favourite products in this mystery box, or if you've purchased one of these yourselves, whether you got anything the same as me or you got anything different. I would really love to know. But as always, thank you so much for watching today's video. I really hope that you did enjoy it. If you did, please do give the video a big thumbs up, leave me a comment, and if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing, and I'll see you again in my next video.